Hey everyone, welcome to the exciting world of crypto mining. It's no secret that cryptocurrencies have exploded in popularity, and with that comes a ton of opportunities to potentially build wealth. Now, I'm not gonna lie, crypto mining can seem intimidating at first, but trust me, once you understand the basics, it becomes a lot less scary and a lot more exciting. Think of this as your crash course to navigating the crypto mining world and potentially making some serious profits along the way. One of the coolest things about crypto mining is that it gives you a chance to be a part of this revolutionary technology from the ground up. You're not just buying and selling, you're actively participating in the creation of new coins. But before you dive headfirst into the world of mining, it's super important to understand both the incredible opportunities and the potential risks involved. We'll cover everything from choosing the right mining hardware to managing your investments wisely. So buckle up, get ready to learn, and let's embark on this crypto mining adventure together. All right, so you're ready to jump into crypto mining? That's awesome. But before you start throwing money at the latest and greatest mining rig, let's talk about the importance of having a solid investment strategy. Look, crypto mining isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes careful planning, research, and, you guessed it, smart investments. First things first, you need to decide how much you're comfortable investing. Remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto can be volatile, and you gotta be prepared for the ups and downs. Once you've got a budget in mind, it's time to do your research. There are tons of different cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique mining process and potential for profit. Don't just jump on the bandwagon of the most popular coin. Take the time to understand the technology behind it, the team behind it, and its long-term potential. Remember, knowledge is power in the crypto world. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart investment decisions. Let's talk about one of the coolest things about the crypto world decentralized applications, or dApps. Now, I know that sounds kind of technical, but stick with me. It's actually pretty simple. Imagine a world where apps run on a network of computers spread across the globe, instead of being controlled by a single company. That's the beauty of dApps. They're built on blockchain technology, which means they're transparent, secure, and resistant to censorship. Think about it. No more worrying about your favorite app getting shut down overnight, no more data breaches, and no more middlemen taking a cut of your profits. Pretty awesome, right? But how do dApps relate to crypto mining? Well, many dApps rely on cryptocurrencies to function. By mining these cryptocurrencies, you're not only potentially earning profits, but also supporting the growth of this decentralized ecosystem. It's like investing in the future of the internet. Let's face it, the economy can be a roller coaster ride. One minute you're riding high, the next you're holding on for dear life. But here's the good news. Crypto can actually provide a hedge against economic uncertainty. See, traditional currencies are controlled by governments and central banks, which means they're susceptible to inflation and other economic factors. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, are decentralized, meaning they're not subject to the same forces. Now, I'm not saying crypto is immune to market fluctuations, it's not. But its decentralized nature does make it a potentially attractive option for diversifying your portfolio and potentially protecting your wealth during tough economic times. One of the best ways to safeguard your crypto is to store it securely. Forget about leaving your coins on exchanges that's like leaving your cash in a public restroom. Instead, invest in a hardware wallet. These are physical devices that store your private keys offline, making it virtually impossible for hackers to access your funds. Remember, security is paramount in the crypto world. By taking the right precautions, you can weather any economic storm and come out stronger on the other side. Let's talk about something super important, your personal finances. See, achieving financial freedom isn't just about making money, it's about managing it wisely. And that means tackling debt and making strategic investments. Debt can be a major roadblock on your journey to financial success. It's like carrying around a weight that slows you down and prevents you from reaching your full potential. So if you're serious about crypto mining, it's crucial to get your debt under control. Start by creating a budget and tracking your expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back and redirect that money towards paying down your debt. Remember, every little bit helps. Once you've got a handle on your debt, you can start focusing on strategic investments. Now, I'm not just talking about crypto here. Diversifying your portfolio is key. Consider investing in real estate index funds or even starting your own business. The goal is to create multiple streams of income and build long-term wealth. By mastering your personal finances, you'll be in a much stronger position to navigate the world of crypto mining and achieve your financial goals. The crypto world moves at lightning speed. What's hot today might be old news tomorrow. That's why it's crucial to stay informed about the latest trends, news, and developments in the industry. Think of it like surfing. You need to constantly adapt to the changing waves to stay afloat. The same goes for crypto. By staying ahead of the curve, you can identify emerging opportunities and make informed investment decisions. So, how do you stay in the loop? Well, there are a ton of resources available. Follow reputable crypto news websites, listen to podcasts, and engage with the crypto community on social media. The crypto world is constantly evolving, with new cryptocurrencies popping up all the time. While Bitcoin and Ethereum might be the big players, there's a whole universe of altcoins out there with the potential for massive growth. Now, I'm not saying you should invest in every new coin that comes along. That's a recipe for disaster. But it's definitely worth exploring emerging cryptocurrencies and understanding the technology and teams behind them. One thing to keep in mind is that the regulatory landscape for crypto is still developing. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate this new asset class, and new regulations could have a significant impact on the crypto market. That's why it's more important than ever to do your research and stay informed about the latest regulatory developments. One of the coolest things about crypto is that it offers a ton of passive income opportunities. That's right, you can potentially earn money while you sleep. One popular method is staking. It's kind of like putting your money in a high-yield savings account. But instead of earning interest, you're earning rewards in the form of crypto. Another option is to become a liquidity provider. This involves lending your crypto to decentralized exchanges in exchange for a share of the trading fees. It's a bit more complex than staking, but it can also be more lucrative. Just like with any investment, it's important to understand the risks involved and to choose reputable platforms. Let's be real. A crypto is a volatile market. Prices can fluctuate wildly, and there's always the risk of losing money. That's why it's crucial to have a solid risk management strategy in place. First things first, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto should be viewed as a high-risk, high-reward investment. Don't bet the rent money on it. Another important aspect of risk management is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies and consider investing in other asset classes as well. Finally, it's essential to have an exit strategy. Know when to take profits and when to cut your losses. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment. All right, let's talk about the tools and strategies you need to succeed in crypto mining. First up, you'll need a crypto wallet to store your hard-earned coins. There are tons of options available, but I recommend going with a hardware wallet for maximum security. Next, you'll need to choose a mining method. Cloud mining allows you to rent mining power from a data center, while traditional mining involves setting up your own mining rig. The best option for you will depend on your budget, technical expertise, and risk tolerance. Once you've got your mining setup sorted, it's time to explore some trading strategies. Day trading involves buying and selling crypto within a single day to capitalize on short-term price movements. Trend following, on the other hand, involves identifying and riding long-term price trends. Finally, arbitrage involves exploiting price differences between different exchanges. It's a more advanced strategy, but it can be highly profitable for those who know what they're doing. Congratulations, my friend! You've made it to the end of this crypto mining crash course. But remember, this is just the beginning of your journey. The crypto world is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay curious, keep learning, and adapt to new challenges. Don't be afraid to experiment with different mining methods, trading strategies, and cryptocurrencies. The more you explore, the more you'll learn and grow as a crypto investor. Remember, success in crypto mining, like anything worthwhile in life, requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. So, stay informed, stay adaptable, and never stop learning. The world of crypto is yours to explore.